So far, these were brought to me by a local stylist just now. And a local sharpener did it, not my son-in-law Jay. And she said he ruined them because all they do is fold hair. The screw's right. What the problem is, there's still a burr on the outside. If I run my nail here, I can feel it. I think these are going to be super easy fix for her. Now this person charges like $10 to $15 less than what my son-in-law Jay does. And I'm at 40 here. Let's see. I think it was set at 45. I'm not bothering to take them apart. I think I can just fix them without a lot of effort to them, because they're not horrible. They just weren't done right. Burr was left on the outside, which is easy to do on these beveled edges. So I've got a burr. I'm using a worn 1000 on a flat plate. I'm going to flip it over. Looks like two different angles there. Got a burr at the tip, not at the back. Flipped it up a little bit higher. Nope. Not there yet. Just want to go blunter. Let me get this. No burr. It's like it's two different angles. The two blades. Why am I not getting a burr? Number. Hit it again. So, so it was a burr that was left on the outside. I think that's gone. I'm going to hit it with my nail buffer to make sure. And she said it was folding hair. Let's see if it still folds hair. So these little pieces of hair. Pull my thumb out. Pushes a little bit. But it definitely doesn't fold. I'm going to give her back to her and let her try them and then sharpen the other pair. Hi, this is Bonnie Megowan from Bonika Shears. I hope you're staying sharp. Hope all these tricks and little tips that I showed you about sharpening are helpful to you. And if you want to see more, make sure that you subscribe, hit the notification bell. I usually upload about once a week. Sometimes more often, so you want to be a part of that. We have a Sharpeners Jam each year, and we also have a Sharpeners Jam group. All these things are in the description links below. So are you curious about the tools I'm using in this video? Those are also in the links below, as well as on the product page. And also you can go to my website, www.bonika.com, which I'll have free information packages that you can download. And I do sharpening training both here in our office, but also online, and of course on these YouTube videos. So you stay sharp, my friend.